Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I am going to be showing you how to install mods for Minecraft. For mods you need to make sure you have Forge installed. There will be a link in the description so you can go and download that first. So the first step is you need to find a mod that you want to use. So the mod that I am going to be using is a better UI mod. So it's taking me to another page. I'm going to pick my version. I am going to pick this one and hit download. I am going to press keep, wait for it to download. Then you need to press Windows and type in %appdata. To get a percent, you need to hold Shift and press the 5 key. You want to go to .minecraft and then you want to go to your mods folder. You want to drag your mod into that folder and drop it in. And once it is there, you just want to press XX, load Minecraft, and you want to play your modded version. So you need to press the up arrow and choose it. There you go. Hit play. It's going to do its loading process. And then once Minecraft is installed, you will be able to see if it has installed properly by pressing, once it is loaded, pressing the mods tab. So I'm going to create a new world and show that the mod is working. And as you can see, the new UI has fully loaded. As you can see at the top of the screen, I have a compass. At the top left, I have my SPS, and I have a few more other things. I have the light level on the top right. I have a view block button, so you can see at the top of the screen it says grass, dandelion, dirt, stone, brick, sand, sheep. So this is a really cool mod, and I do recommend it. There's loads of customization, so you can move all the UI around the screen and put them wherever you want, which is really cool. So yeah, so like I said at the beginning, you need to make sure you have Forge installed to be able to use mods for Minecraft. So yeah, there will be a link for one of my videos to download Forge in the description and in the comments, I think. And it is really simple to do. Anybody can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So now I'm just showing off a little bit of this mod, just like you can like change where you want to put stuff and like pick where you want to put it. It's really cool. So yeah, if this helped you, leave a like. If you have any questions, comments, and subscribe, because why not? I helped you, you know? Do me a favor. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great modded day.